morning students. Today we are going to start our comprehension, and that is of class 8, and comprehension topic, that is the rock and the bubble. You can see over here, that is the rock which is standing over there, and in front of there, that is bubble. You can see bubble is colorful over there. Now what's going on over there? That story. Bubble is wave going through the waves and trying to strike over there, and bubble is fighting over there and want to get the wave and saying to this sturdy and robust rock that give me the way, I want to go from this side, so you move from here and give me the way. But rock says it's not possible. Many waves came here, many sturdy waves came, but I couldn't move here, then today also I will not move. So this conversation was gone in that, the rock and the bubble. So what happened, this comprehension I will let you know. And the waves are this feet dancing merrily. They were dancing, these waves are dancing very happily, and in that only that bubble that is asking for a quick way and said that give me the way or make the way. And what is telling? Bubble has a proud, and what says, I am the fairest thing that floats on the sea. And bubble is so proudly and saying that I am the very good in all sea, ocean. So you give me the way. But the great rock stood straight up in the sea and looked down toward him and said happily, what? Now rock is telling to bubble, little friend, you must go some other way, for I have not stirred this many a long day. And that rock is telling, I never did this, I never go to anyone, then how it's possible to go in front of you? But all said in very cool manner. He was not angry. Here, bubble was angry. Bubble is, destroyed within a seconds, and still so much proud. And the rock, who is really possessing the strength, still having so much strength and power, is very cool and calm and pleasant. But my sturdy form is not overthrown, and nobody could destroy me. And the waves all laughed. So the waves which were all nearby the sea, that were laughing, and the seabirds looked from their rocky seat. And this you can see the seabirds over here. So these seabirds nearby this, they were looking where whatever conversation was going on between these two, rock and bubble, they were listening very nicely and carefully. Now from this talk conversation between these, what is telling? You shall move for me and you shall not mock, and telling that you don't make fun of me. Bubble is telling to rock, don't make my fun, you only make the way for me and don't talk any rubbish. Stop laughing, rude waves. The waves, these were also laughing on this, so he is threatening to waves also. And this cruel stone cannot make me fear. Now see, we know what is the value of bubble, what is the power of bubble. But bubble is underestimating the power of rock and saying that you don't know, you are not afraid of me, I will let you. Then said the seabirds sitting in their nest. Now the birds were sitting over there, so what they are giving the guidance to their young ones, to the little ones leaning on their breast, be not like the bubble. The birds that are giving the guidance saying that we should not be like a bubble. Now how is bubble treating? Headstrong, rude, and very vain. Vain means proudy. So birds are telling we should not be headstrong, we should not be rude, we should not be proudy like bubble. Now how should we? We should like the rock, who is steadfast, true, and strong. So even he that is strong, but still not proudly. So that suggestions are given by this, and these are the meanings which you can see over here: clumsy, dirty, or ugly. And this is the clumsy to which it called to rock. Gravely or seriously. Rock was looking gravely or seriously to that bubble. So it means rock was serious, thinking. He was not like a bubble, so his waves were strong. Billows, a large wave object to point out or to interfere someone. Now we come to our question answers of this. So first of all, what is or describe the rock? So rock, as you see, you can see over here, steadfast, true, and strong. So rock is steadfast, true, and strong. Second, how does the bubble describe itself? Now, how bubble describes itself? Bubble described headstrong, rude, vain, and says the utmost powerful as well as beautiful in the ocean. Third question, what does the bubble ask the rock to do? Now, what bubble was asking to do the rock? He asked the rock to make a way for him. He said, you move, turn aside so that he can move. Fourth question, what is the rock's response? Now, rock stood straight up in the sea and told it to go from other way. Hence, he denied for giving the way. He didn't move. He stood strong over there. And he said he never moved for anyone. Fifth question, last question of this. What message does the poet want to convey to us? Poet want to convey us that even if we are strong, we should be polite and pleasant, and we should not be proudy or feeling vain just like a bubble. Now, through whom does she convey the message? Now, this message in this, it has been conveyed by seabirds or sea girls. And in this way, we conclude this chapter. And thank you very much for joining us.